Showtime.
Hey, my friends! Welcome back to Quiz Slice, the bad guys. 2 is finally here, so you know what that means. Today's quiz has 2 wild rounds just for you. Round 1. What if our favorite crew looked like real humans? Can you recognize them in their awesome human forms? Round 2. Now close your eyes. Can you guess who's talking just by their voices? Ready to play? All right then, let's jump right in. Snake! Snake as a baby in real life. Doom! Doom as a baby in real life. Diane! Diane as a baby in real life. Kitty! Kitty as a baby in real life. All right, let's take a battle between a cool Diane baby or a fearless Kitty baby. All right, if you're Team Diane baby, like this video, but subscribe if you totally love Kitty baby. And don't forget to comment below and let's see who wins the battle. Pigtail. Pigtail as a baby in real life. Webs. Webs as a baby in real life. Piranha. Piranha as a baby in real life. Wolf. Wolf as a baby in real life. Shark. Shark as a baby in real life. Alrighty, ready for round 2 by guessing all characters by their voices? Let's get it. Who's got that sassy tone?
Nice ring to it, I guess. But you can call me.
Absolutely. Kitty cat. So cool, right?
Nice ring to it, I guess. But you can call me.
Okay, back to challenge. Who said this?
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
Nailed it. Diane, calm, clever, and classy.
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
First up, who's speaking here?
Yourselves. Me? Oh, terrific.
Nice catch, Mr. Wolf.
Yourselves. Me? Oh, terrific. Fantastic.
Would you rather join Mr. Wolf's clever crew or team up with Kitty Cat's stylish squad? All right, make your pick. Hit like if you're rolling with Mr. Wolf. Smash subscribe if Kitty Cat's your vibe. And hey, don't forget to drop a comment to settle the score. Which team is stronger? Which character is this?
I'm late for a vinyasa. Vinyasa? You think I got this body by sitting around?
That's Mr. Snake. You're on fire.
I'm late for a vinyasa. Vinyasa? You think I got this body by sitting around watching TV?
Who's behind this voice?
Bro, I don't know.
Woohoo! mr.Shark.
Bro, I don't know. I panicked.
Would you rather ship Mr. Wolf and Diane or go with Snake and Doom? Tough choice, right? Let us know your pick by commenting below and tell us which couple you're rooting for. Who could this be?
Do you always drive like this? Punch it. I haven't.
You got it. Tarantula.
Do you always drive like this? Punch it. I have an idea.
Any idea who this is?
No, maybe? Sorry, nerves.
Can has
Boom, Mr. Piranha.
No, maybe? Sorry, nerves.
It hasn't been easy with.
Which character just yelled like that?
Keeping my eye on you, Doc.
What was that? I panicked, okay?
Yep, that's Chief.
My eye on you, Doc.
What was that? I panicked, okay? I'm a panic.
Which character is this?
Prego, cappuccino, extra grande.
Okay, that's Mr.Shark.
Prego, cappuccino, extra grande.
Who's that speaking?
Professionals, you know, with a specific set of skills.
Nice catch, Doom.
Professionals, you know, with a specific set of skills.
One.
Look closely. Something's not quite right. Yep. Here are three differences. Did you spot all three? Listen closely.
You know, I'm very hands-on, especially when someone...
Right on, Diane.
I'm very hands-on, especially when someone tries to frame...
Can you hear who it is?
Titanium triple spring release. I've missed you, my old friend.
Awesome, that's Mr. Snake again.
Titanium triple spring release. I've missed you, my old friend.
Recognize that tone?
Step aside before anger becomes punch.
Yeah, that's Pigtail.
Step aside before anger becomes punch.
Any idea?
I know, right? Today was arm day. That's why I'm looking extras.
You crushed it, Professor Marmalade. He became more dangerous.
I know, right? Today was arm day. That's why I'm looking extra swole.
All right, find the odd one out challenge. Which one doesn't belong in this sneaky squad? Yep, the odd is here. Final one, who's this?
Just, untie us and we'll let our subs out and we can just call it a no-show.
Great finish, Mr. Wolf. Lovable till the end.
Untie us and we'll let our subs out and we can just call it a no-show, okay?
All right, that's a wrap on today's quiz. We hope you had as much fun as we did. Now, before you go, rate the movie The Bad Guys 2.
Showtime.
And that's a wrap on today's double challenge. How many characters did you guess right in both human looks and voices? If you had fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Quiz Slice for more wild quizzes and awesome adventures. Catch you next time.